Install the cup hook fittings onto the top of the spindle. Make sure the cup hook is at the correct angle. Hang the fiber on the cup hook and rotate the spindle clockwise. Now we are spinning, the twist is going to travel up the fiber. Then we are going to in a controlled way pull the fiber thinner. When you make the section to 20 cm, wind it back onto shaft of the spindle. Don't forget to hook the thread in the notch. Enjoy your spinning time.